Hello everyone, let's see the difference between these three reactions, and I have already discussed all these three reactions in my previous videos. And what happens is, one of the common thing in these three reactions is that we'll use these for in order to convert alkenes into alcohols. So this is the common use case for all these three reactions. And let's see the difference between these three. And here the substrate will be alkane and product will be alcohol, but according to the different reactions we'll use different reagents and we'll get the different products here. So let's see. First one is acid catalyzed hydration. Here we'll use the reagent acid in the presence of water, and here it occurs according to Markovnikov addition, and here in carbocation intermediate formation takes place. So there is a formation of rearrangement takes place, and let's say for example if there is any we have got secondary carbocation, and if there is any possibility of forming tertiary carbocation, there will be rearrangement takes place and we'll get more stable product. All right. And in case of oxymercuration demercuration, it also gives according to the Markovnikov addition, but there will be no rearrangement. And in case of this hydroboration oxidation, it occurs according to anti-Markovnikov addition, and it is syn addition. And these are the difference main difference in these three reactions. If you want detailed mechanism of all these three reactions, just let me know in the comment section. All right. And let me explain you with one example here. So let's take this example: CH3, CH, CH3, CH double, CH2. So here let's try to write the product using these three reactions. Let's do acid catalyzed hydration, H plus water. So what happens here? It occurs according to Markovnikov addition, and at the same time rearrangement also possible, right? First, what happens? Let me explain you with the mechanism for this, because it will be helpful for you. First, what it will do, this double bond obstruct uh, this hydrogen, and it will form a carbocation on this carbon. And let me write like this: CH, CH positive, CH3. This intermediate will get, and here as we know that this is a secondary carbocation, and here there is a possibility of forming tertiary carbocation. All right. So what it will do, here we have this hydrogen hydride transfer takes place here. Hydride transfer means this hydrogen will shift towards this carbon, and carbocation comes to on this carbon, CH2, CH3. Now the water attacks on this carbocation and we'll get this alcohol, OH, CH2, CH3. So here we have got tertiary alcohol, right? So now let's write the product with the oxymercuration demercuration. So I'm just writing it as a OMDM in shortcut. You have to write the reagent, alright? So it occurs according to the Markovnikov addition, and there will be no rearrangement. So what you will do, just break this bond and add the OH group on more substituted carbon. It's just simple, right? You can easily write the product: CH, CHOH, and here it is CH3. This is the product for this oxymercuration demercuration, and for this hydroboration oxidation, I'm just mentioning like this. And here the reagent will be BH3 THF, and in the presence of H2O2 water. So you can just write the reagent over here. And here it will get the product according to anti-Markovnikov addition. Means here we have to add OH on the less substituted carbon. So OH will be added on this carbon. And here we'll get this type of product, CH2 OH. So here we have got primary alcohol, and here we have got the secondary alcohol, and here we have got tertiary alcohol. So according to our desired product, we will choose one of these reactions. So I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you have understood this. Let me write the reagents also here: HgOAc taken twice in the presence of NaBH4 and water. And here for hydroboration oxidation, it will be what? BH3, PHF, in the presence of H2O2, water. So these are the reagents that I have just written for your clarity. And yeah, this is the one of the common way to explain the difference between these three reactions. I hope you have understood these three in a easy way. And if you didn't get anything, just let me know in the comment section. I would love to help you people. And yeah, just take care of yourself and bye.